Hello, welcome back to Seoul Bites. Today, we'll be making onion pickle or Yangpa Jangajji, an essential summer side dish. If you've ever been to a Korean BBQ restaurant, you've definitely seen this classic side dish on the table. Our main ingredient today, of course, is onions, and we'll be making this with a super easy recipe. First, go ahead and prep 3 large onions. While it's delicious with just onions, I like to mix it up a bit. So I've also prepared some celery and 2 chayotes. But hey, if you want pure onion flavor, sticking strictly to onions is totally fine. You'll also need vinegar, sugar, and the most important ingredient, soy sauce. A quick tip on containers. Please avoid plastic. It's best to prepare an airtight glass or stainless steel container. Alright, let's make our soy sauce brine. I have a 2-cup measuring cup ready. The absolute golden rule here is the ratio. Water, soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar in a 2 to 1 to 1 to 1 ratio. That's 2 parts water and 1 part for everything else. Stick to this ratio and you'll get the perfect savory flavor no matter how much you make. So, that's 2 cups of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of soy sauce, and 1 cup of sugar. Once you've got your desired amount mixed up, bring the sauce to a rolling boil. While the sauce is boiling, let's quickly chop our onions, celery, and chayote. Cut the onions into bite-sized pieces and place them into your glass container. Wash the celery thoroughly, chop it into bite-sized pieces as well, and layer it right on top of the onions. For the chayote, peel the skin, remove the inner seed just like this, and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Since chayote is firmer than onion, make sure not to slice it too thick so the marinade can really soak in. Layer the chayote over the celery. Add another layer of onion. More chayote, again making sure it's not too thick. And finish with 1 last layer of onion. And prep is done. Once your soy sauce brine is rapidly boiling, turn off the heat. Now pour the sauce in immediately while it's still piping hot. This is the key point. Pouring it hot is exactly what keeps the onions wonderfully crisp and crunchy. Perfect. And there you have it. Your onion pickle is finished. It's incredibly crunchy and savory, making it an absolutely phenomenal pairing when you're eating meat. Let it cool down completely in a shady room temperature spot, then pop it in the fridge for a day. It'll be ready to enjoy the very next day. When you lose your appetite in the summer heat, this refreshing onion pickle is just the best. Thank you so much for joining me today on Seoul Bites. I really hope you give this jangajji recipe a try. It is an absolute game changer for your summer meals. If you do make it, please let me know how it turned out in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our easy and delicious Korean recipes. Stay cool, enjoy your wonderful side dishes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!